How many times will you say that? I'm getting bored of this.
Today, we are making for you the UMP is
UMP gun. Yeah, that's it. Now let's put
that
that aside.
doing like that. Just immediate, right?
After that, take an A4 sheet to make that. Oh, I think I just split. Alright, now take an A4 sheet and roll it.
Show them.
Alright. After rolling it, stick it with tape.
And make another roll like that and fold it.
Wait. I'll tell them. Why the hell?
I told them. Now, the UMP is going.
Alright, we made the roll. Now, make this type of roll, another one, and put that aside. We're going to make the magazine with this. Alright, now flatten it up and the magazine will be ready. So now we need to just fold it like this and stick it here. See, there must be a hole through what the roll must pass on. That would be the main part, and the result will be, wait, I'll magic that. Put this aside.
Magic.
Yeah, you think this is magic, but let me tell you the whole story. I by mistakenly deleted the whole video.
Yes.
That's why I need to make it again. Alright, now after this, we need to make the stock. Alright, to make the stock,
And make another roll like that.
yeah,
2 rolls.
make a roll like this.
2 rolls.
Yeah,
And
2
then-
rolls like this.
Now
And-
keep this aside.
No, wait. I'll
Stick
show
it.
them the technique, main technique. Alright, I'll stick it here. Just I'll show you the main technique because I messed up so far. Alright, if you you need to make another roll like this. This stock actually. Now, put this inside this and stick it. After sticking it, put that aside. If you stick it, you will get a roll like this. Alright. Put that inside and stick it. That's enough. Now, let's take this one.
The UMP.
Alright. Now,
start it then.
fold it into the shape
Of this stock.
Wait. I'll show it to you like it. Now it comes like this and goes like this and folds like this. Alright. I'll stick that. Until then, we'll put this aside.
Oh,
No, now we need to make the handle. To make the handle,
Oh, wait, I'll tell them. Before we made like this.
no, that would not be enough. Take an A4 sheet and fold it into half.
And then again and again.
Yeah, again and again.
The 2 times and you'll get the handle. See
Alright.
the size.
This must be the size.
Yeah.
Now fold it to half. Now take the main part and check if this would be enough. Alright, the handle must come in cross. So here there will be, if we keep it like this, there will be some extra part here.
Fold
we need
that.
to cut that out.
Fold and cut. It will be easy for
If you
you.
fold like this.
And cut it out.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Fold it like this and cut it out.
Yeah. Now.
After you cut it out,
Ready?
stick it
On the top.
with tape like this and even this hole also. After sticking with tape,
You'll get like this.
yeah, that's the result. Now we'll get it like this. Now take the main part,
And stick
push
it.
this
Oh,
inside.
wait.
That's good.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, let's check it. That would be nice.
Yeah.
Alright. Now let's stick it like this.
And the stock is going to be ready and the trigger point is left.
Alright. Before we make this stock, right? Let me make this straight. Alright. Now we'll stick this. Take the main part. We'll stick the handle, right?
You
To
should
the back of it.
without the stock. If you want MP40, comment down below.
Yeah.
I'll make you the Poker MP42. If you're comment down below. Here.
Alright, now if you push this inside this and stick this like this,
Here's some tape.
it is stop.
Oh, the tape's going to complete.
We'll get a new one, don't worry.
Yeah. But it's the one.
We have more.
Yeah.
Alright, after sticking, we'll get the stop. Here's an adjustment. Look at this part, that's for style. You can take a paper strip and stick it here like this. Wait a minute.
And
Alright.
make.
Now we made this. Now
And there's
still what's left is scope stand, scope, and trigger guard.
Take
Now-
another A4 sheet.
See, for a demonstration, I made you a handle, right? You take another one. I'll open this.
Oh, it came to that.
It's messy.
Take
Yeah,
this.
should be enough. Alright, this one, fold the paper like A4 sheet like this. Alright,
Oh,
who's that?
what's that?
Let me check out.
Yeah.
That's just the mail.
Yeah.
Wait.
What is that?
Let's see what's in the mail. If you don't make MP40 gun video, in your next video, I'll kill you.
Who is it?
That's enough.
We're going to die.
No, I'll make it. We're not going to die. Okay? Wait a minute. The frame's not good. Alright, where were we? We need to make the trigger part, right?
Yeah.
For that half, we need to fold it like this. After that, fold it like this. Now take the main part and just stick it like this.
I'll give you some tape.
Alright. It's getting too hard to work with that fan because if I turn on the fan, there will be so much noise and that will get my growth rate of my YouTube channel down.
Yeah. Because the sound look like different. Not look.
Sound different. Feel different.
You want more?
Totally different. Alright, I'm too sweaty. Now, that's it.
Do you want more?
No, sorry. Alright, that's it. No, still there's some. We need to make the scope stand. So,
wait a minute.
this mail is of no use. I'll tear this and use it.
No.
What?
Take this side.
Yeah, maybe you'll come and ask for the mail.
Yeah.
Alright. Now, take paper and fold it like this for what we made as a magazine. Like that, fold it. And take some part of it, fold some part of it. That is out of ratio, your choice, and cut it out with scissors because this can be cut by hand. Now fold it into how many times you can. Those many times. Well, I could just do it to 2 times. Alright, that would be enough. Now stick it totally with tape and keep it. Alright, now take this. What's this? Sorry. Alright, now take the gun and on top of the handle, stick this like this.
Oh wait, see the on the handle.
Am I too sweaty? Yeah, I am.
Stick it, and now the surprise is in the last. Where's the
surprise go? Is it still here?
Yeah, it's
Now,
here.
after you stick it like this, we just need to make the scope. Alright, to make the scope, take another A4 sheet and fold it like this and out ratio strip.
If the scope is not perfect,
This one
take
is a
another.
perfect size strip. I can't tell you the sizes because I did not calculate and I'm not a professional YouTuber too. So use an unratio type paper strip and roll it like this and stick it. With tape.
Take Papa.
Alright, after sticking it, now take some tape and look at this technique clearly. Roll it to the opposite side. The gummy side must be on the outside. If you roll it, all side tape.
You get
Now take the
UMP.
now stick this here. See here. Now take the scope and stick it to this. Alright, we've got the scope too. That's the perfect UMP. You can put a oversized barrel here by making the scope like this. And this scope, let me check, is just 1x. I'm very good at testing scopes. Alright, that's it for today and show the surprise.
Yeah, the surprise is this is AK.
I don't think it is. We made this gun just before 6 hours, I think so.
No, not 6.
We call it
No.
the MK49 because it's a fusion of AK-47 and
And
AN-94. If you feel it like that and if you want to make this, comment down below. I'll try to make it as soon as possible. Alright, remember his name, MK49. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And
Oh, wait. There's another surprise. If we get 50 subscribers, we make you a heavy gun.
yeah, we can, which means a
rocket
sniper
launch.
rifle. For example, AWM,
Carbine-
MA2B, or
Carbine-
Carbine-98. Yeah, they're from
Those
fire.
are snipers.
Yeah. So,
The heavy is a rocket launcher. Comment down below which one you want.
alright, but only when we get 50 subscribers. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Welcome.
Whoa.
Bye.